Hi friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we are going to fully wire an industrial switchboard and also introduce all its equipment. Please stay with me until the end of the video, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. I will definitely answer you. In this video I will mention points that are not in the other educational videos and are very useful for you. If you like this tutorial, click the like button to support me. Now we start installing the equipment. This electrical panel encloses several three-phase and single-phase outputs, which one of the outputs have a protection circuit. The first switch we install is the RCCB switch, which has 4 inputs and 4 outputs, one of which is neutral and 3 of which are different phases. This switch protects the circuit against current leakage and electrocution. This is a single-phase miniature switch with low amperage that supplies power to the control circuit. This switch protects the control circuit from short circuit. Therefore, it's necessary to use it in all electrical panels. The next device is a three-phase monitoring relay. By connecting 3 phases and neutral to the input of this switch, the voltage of the phases is measured by it. And if the voltage of the phases is lower or higher than the specific value, it's cut off the electricity of the control circuit. Base 15 is the input relay and base 18 is the output relay. For the three-phase outputs, we use three-phase miniature switches to protect the circuits against short circuit. And this is another RCCB switch that supplies power to all single-phase outputs. This is another three-phase monitoring relay that measures the voltage of the phases from single-phase outputs. We also use single-phase miniature switch for all single-phase outputs. One of the contactor outputs work as a timer, so we also install a timer relay. The inputs of this timer are PH and N, and its relay are like phase controller relay. Now we install the contactors. These contactors are three-phase outputs. We use load control relays for all three-phase contactor outputs. These relays measure the output current of three phases, and in case of excess current, it's cut off the circuit so as not to damage the consumers. The base PH and N is for powering the device, and the base C and NO is the input and output of the relay respectively. These miniature switches are for direct three-phase output that are directly excited from the electrical panel and are used as distribution switches. Now we install the input and output terminals. These four terminals are for the main power input to the switchboard and supply electricity to the entire switchboard. Now we install the output terminals for these three-phase miniature switches. These are for the first miniature switch. These are for the second miniature switch. And these are for the third miniature switch. Now we install the three-phase output terminal for the contactor outputs. And these are single-phase output terminals. Each single-phase output has one terminal for phase and one blue terminal for neutral. Installation of equipment is finished. This was the first part of the video. The second part, which includes the wiring of the entire electrical panel, will be uploaded in another days on this channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye.